Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers in an air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees F, press patties to about 3/4 inch thick, season both sides, and place them in a single layer without overcrowding. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, flipping halfway, and aim for an internal temperature of 160 degrees F for well done or 145 degrees F for medium rare. Let rest 2 minutes before serving warm. Seasoning matters a lot for flavor, so salt shortly before cooking to keep juices. Mix in minimal binders like 1 egg only if needed and avoid overworking the meat. Make a small dimple in the center of each patty to prevent bulging. For cheese, add slices in the last minute so it melts without burning. Serve on toasted buns with desired toppings and sauces for balance. Adjust timing for thickness and preferred doneness. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum has made my kitchen cleanup so easy with voice control and smart mapping, a real-time saver after burger nights. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want cleaner floors with less effort, give it a try. Now let's get back to the video. Timing depends on patty thickness and desired doneness, so use an instant read thermometer to be precise. Cook 8 to 10 minutes at 375 degrees F for a standard quarter-pound patty, flipping once halfway. Thicker patties may need longer and thinner patties less time. Keep an eye on browning and adjust temperature by 25 degrees F if needed. Rest burgers 2 minutes to let juices redistribute before serving. Serve immediately with buns, lettuce, tomato, and your favorite sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.